back to my garden. Well, it's a great time of the year, isn't it? Start thinking about planting seeds for the summer, and I'm going to make a start with these. So there they are, castor oil plant or ricinus. And the one that I'm hoping it's going to be is this one here, the one that's really bright red rather than the green. I've got green and I've grown the green ones before, but this one's going to have some really bright red flowers, and of course these copper coloured leaves as well. These are highly toxic, very poisonous, so just be a bit careful how you handle them. Best to wear gloves, but what I'm going to do with these, first of all, before we make a start, I'm going to bring them on a little bit. I'm going to put them in some rainwater. I've got a little pot of rainwater here that's at room temperature, meaning it's not icy cold. They wouldn't like that, these little fellas. So without touching them, I'm going to tip these in. 15 seeds, and we're going to put these to one side for 3 or 4 hours, and then yeah, come back and I'll show you the rest of the video, how I'm going to plant these. I'm going to put them in a propagator, and yeah, I'll see you a bit later. Bye. So here I am back. As you can see, I've got my propagator here. I've got some compost in a little seed tray with little compartments. It's just a general purpose seed compost, nothing special. I mean, these plants grow so easily anyway. So anyway, that's what I've got. The seeds have had a good soaking for about 5 hours, I suppose. So all we need to do now is dip a little hole, not too deep. Take a seed, and please notice I'm wearing rubber gloves because they're highly poisonous. Pop it in there like that, just bed it in a bit, cover it over, and then we're going to carry on, do all of the rest, make little holes for them, like that, like that, like that, and that, that one, that one, that one, and that one. Then we give them all a little drink. I would say these seeds have been planted about 1/4 of an inch deep, and that's fine for a seed like this. It's quite a big seed really, or bean, I suppose you could call it a bean. So yeah, give that a little drink like that. And most importantly, what you mustn't forget to do, because you've got to bear in mind, eventually there's going to be a lot more seeds in this propagator. These are just the first ones, so it's going to need a label, castor oil. So it's on with the lid, switch it on, and we'll come back to that in a few days. It should take about a week to 2 weeks to start germinating, and I'll show you how they're getting on then. Bye for now.